Welcome back to Pauka Sports, short podcast about boxing. Pag-usapan natin dito, Manny Pacquiao. Why does he deserve to win the comeback of the year from WBC? Alam mo, parang may dalawang nomination na si Manny Pacquiao. And explain ko po dito bakit I believe Manny Pacquiao should be the winner. Pero yung mga kalaban niya matitindi, no? Napapakita ko na agad sa inyo. So si Hamza Shiraz, si Mikaelian, Christoph, si Sky Nicholson and Cecilia Breckhurst, mga sila itong mga panalo, no. Alam ko yung argument ng mga tao dito eh. But nonetheless, yan ang sa tingin ko, i-explain ko sa inyo kung bakit sa tingin ko si Manny Pacquiao ang dapat manalo. Tapos, meron akong suggestion. Meron akong suggestion dito na kasi ang nangyayari, ang usap-usapan Rolly Romero versus Manny Pacquiao, 'di ba? For the longest time. And I believe parang usap-usapan din, expected nila mananalo si Rolly Romero kay Ryan Garcia. Which you know what? Sa aking palagay, baka nga lamang si Rolly Romero, baka nga manalo. Pero sabihin ko muna sa inyo to, no? Explain ko muna. Bago explain, gusto ko lang pasalamat sa Arena Plus for continued support sa Pauka Sports. Game responsibly lang po. Legit po yan na sports app. You can watch the NBA, some boxing and basketball. And use the link in the description. Just game responsibly, 21 years old and above lamang po, no? Kailangan may extra money ka lang to use that. Okay? But you can watch the PBA and NBA there, I believe. So, pag-usapan na natin. So, Manny Pacquiao, arguably, sa mga nakalistahan dito, Manny Pacquiao, I think deserve a win. Not just being biased about this because of Filipino yung sasabihin ng mga tao. Pero, um, honestly, kung pinanood mo yung laban kay Mari Barrios, he deserved that win. Let me start with that. It was a draw. But if you watch the fight, panalo si Manny Pacquiao dyan. Agree ka o hindi? Lamang si Manny Pacquiao eh. I just, I felt that dapat siya panalo. So, parang dalawang beses na siya hindi napapaboran dito. I don't wanna say na knockout or anything like that, pero ano yan, dapat binigay na yung panalo sa kanya. Tapos ngayon, hindi pa rin ibibigay ito. I mean, consolation na lang ito. And, to do that at this age is unheard of, to fight against the younger guy, a prime guy like Mario Barrios. Talagang, this is something that, we never seen in boxing. So, for me, just because of that fact, I know may mga na-accomplish itong mga bata na ito, itong mga boxers na ito, and they do deserve to be nominated. But Manny Pacquiao doing that at this age is certainly a comeback. Ito yung literal na comeback. Itong mga ito, they're an active boxers. Although itong hindi rin yata. But Manny Pacquiao again, iba yung iba yung legacy ng laban na yon. Kung nanalo lang siya, wala nang usapan dito. It's unanimous decision. Kaso hindi binigay sa kanya yung panalo na yon. Nonetheless, that's the reason why na sa tingin ko Manny Pacquiao dapat ibigay. And the lastly, what I was trying to say is that mas maganda yata pag Ryan Garcia versus Manny Pacquiao ang laban. Dati pa yan napag-usapan eh. Mas parang pag-uusapan ng mga tao, mas malaking pera, commercially, marketability to popular guys kaysa yung Rolly Romero. I mean, the Rolly Romero might be a lot more interesting when it comes to testing Manny Pacquiao, but if Ryan Garcia wins this one, it will be a much bigger fight with Manny Pacquiao kung pagbibigyan sila ulit ng championship. And it makes sense. Manny Pacquiao, if Ryan Garcia wins, I think that makes sense. Para sa akin Let me know para sa inyo guys. At saka natin pag-usapan yung prediction kay Rolly Romero Ryan Garcia. Pero I think nakakaramdam na kayo kung kanino ko.